Okay, this one's gonna be super short. There's not really a how-to. You just need to know which one, what the difference is. Okay, so take a second, read through, and underline what you think is important in this. There's not really a how-to, just underline what you think is important to determine the difference between independent and dependent events, and come back to us and highlight. Okay, awesome. So here is what you should have highlighted, right? So independent is one event does not affect the outcome of the other, right? So there's this part, this key word right here is that you replace it, right? So when you flip a coin, if you flip it and it lands on heads, all of a sudden it's not like the heads disappears. The head is still there, right, on a coin. And the same thing if you draw a card from a deck, right? There's 52 cards in one deck. If you draw it, if you keep it out, it's going to change the next probability. But if you put it back, if you replace it, then your probabilities will all stay the same, right? The dependent event is where you do not replace, right? Do not replace, right? So same thing, if you draw a card from a deck, right? There were 52 cards in the deck, right? So if you draw that card and then you don't put it back, now all of a sudden there's only 51 cards in the deck, right? So your probabilities are going to change. You cannot, I mean, depending on what you pick, your probabilities will change throughout the next courses of what you want to predict. Okay? Do a couple practice problems, and then that's it.